Hello guys, welcome to my new video. If you are new in my channel, must share, like and subscribe. Today I will teach you how to attach any object and text on your video with the help of function track camera which is built in After Effects. Let's get started. Take a new composition 1920 by 1080p. So first we are going to do is to select clip and going to search 3D camera tracker in effects and presets. After Effects is analyzing your video, and what it usually does, it analyzes the motion of the camera and the 3D scene data, which allows you to attach objects in 3D space within your scene. When the analyzing is done, you will see the lots of points on your video. Now find the target points where you want to place your object or text. Select the target, right click and then choose the option. Create solid and camera, recompose that layer. Now I'm going to drag YouTube icon. Further drop this icon in your pre-composed layer. Back to the main composition. I can see YouTube icon move along with the video. Now it's time to attach our text above the mountain. Now it's time to attach our text above the mountain. Repeat the same process as we discussed above, but let's make your video more amazing. So firstly, I feel we are missing some good colors in the clip, so I'm going to apply hue and saturation in my clip. Let's increase the master saturation to make your color attractive and sharper. If we want to change some shades in the text, let's go to Effects and Preset, apply the effect, and create color shades according to your need. We are almost done our main motif of this video. Now my video looks outstanding. If you want to add more interesting objects, so repeat the same process. Okay, we are done to add one more object by using 3D camera tracker function. Is this object looking quite plain? So let's add some animation in the particular object. Go to pre-composition. Let's duplicate the image layer and start some masking of its eyebrow. Move the character eyebrows by applying position keyframe on his eyebrows and make some loop keyframes for this position. It constantly moving the eyebrows of this character. Back to the main composition, and now we can see that we have done what we are looking for, some outstanding animation. You are succeed. If you really like my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will make more interesting videos for you. Thanks.